Hi, yeah, welcome to today's episode. I am the billionaire trader. In this episode, I'm going to explain how I actually analyze a trade that I took on USDCAD from weekly time frame to 2 hours time frame. So we are already on the weekly time frame, and I'm going to give you a breakdown of how I actually analyze the trade from the weekly time frame to 2 hour time frame, where I picked the confirmation and took the trade. So on the weekly time frame, I'm going to clear the charts so that we can start afresh. So this was where the market was when I actually took the trade. Uh, okay, okay. So yeah, okay, good. So market invalidated this opposing key level here and closed above it. So since we have an invalidation of this opposing key level with a full body close above it, it indicates that we can still continue the buy. And the next opposing key level we have is here, that particular level, and another one is here. The next one is here. So we are only going to consider all these opposing key level provided that we have daily breakouts that confirm the direction. Now let's go to daily time frame. So on daily time frame, we have this on Friday. Okay, we have daily breakouts. And what do we mean by daily breakout? Let me go to the line charts. Price broke above this high. So there is no breakout like bearish breakout showing that we are bearish. This is still showing that we are bullish. So weekly, daily, we have alignment on the 2 time frame. So what do we need to see next? I'm going to change to the so on Monday that day, price came down, swept this low serving as our internal range liquidity. Our first target is actually this high, the external range liquidity, before taking it high to the opposing key levels on the weekly. So let's go to the 4 hours time frame. On 4 hours time frame, when price swept the previous day low, this particular low here, price closed above this opposing key level. This opposing key level. Let's go to the line chart so that you can see it clearly. This key level here, that opposing key level. And once we have price closing above that opposing key level, it indicates that we are still buying. It's not just a close, we have a bullish engulfing with sweep and break, indicating that we are still bullish. So weekly is saying buy, daily is also saying buy, and our 4 hours is also saying buy. So in this case, we are looking for opportunity to buy. Some people may be like, on 4 hours we need to wait for sweep for a breakout before we can continue the buy. That on 4 hours, that is what is going to confirm our directional bias. For me, based on what I've learned from the market, based on my chart study, I discovered that we can also use invalidation of opposing key level as a signal to confirm our directional bias. We don't need to wait for a breakout, maybe sweep and break or breakout, before we can actually confirm that, especially when we have an engulfing with a sweep and break that invalidates opposing key level. It is a strong signal saying that the directional bias is confirmed. So in this case, we have it. This bullish candle here, this bullish candle closed above the opposing key level, showing that okay, we can continue our buy. So where is our entry? Our entry is actually the opposing key level that was invalidated, and that is this particular key level here. Let me delete it. This particular key level is still our entry. That's exactly our entry, and that is where we are going to have as our entry. So what do? We set I actually took the trade, set my limit here, and SL below this particular candle. You can put it here to be on the safe side. You can also put it here too. So yeah, and if you want to refine further, you can go to your 2 hours time frame to go and look for. Okay, on 2 hours time frame, you can also use this particular low here, where you can also put your SL as well. So our first target is this external liquidity, and the next target is the weekly opposite key level. The next target is this opposite key level as well. Why the final target is the final high on our weekly time frame. So let me go to the weekly time frame to go and mark out the final external range liquidity, which is this high. Yeah, this external liquidity. That's our final target. So we have it. Boom. This is 14-hour trade. Okay. So 14-hour. So our final target is, how did I do it? I started from weekly time frame, invalidation of opposing key level, showing us that okay, we are bullish. We invalidate opposing key level, showing us that we are bullish. On daily time frame, we have bullish breakout, and also on daily time frame, we have sweep of previous day low, daily rejecting daily. And after having the daily rejecting daily and sweeping the previous day low, which is our internal range liquidity, then 4 hours give us invalidation of opposing key level. Invalidation of opposing key level. Having that invalidation of opposing key level, I use the opposing key level that was invalidated as my entry, and stop loss below the last candle, the wick of the candle that is there, and target the final external range liquidity or external liquidity, which actually led to 14 RR. Thank you for joining me today. Keep joining. Stay tuned for more educational information. Thanks.